Rastafari, yeah, Rasta nanga.
No,
yeah, Rasta.
Hello guys, I am Serena. We went for shopping. I did vlog it out there because with baby and it's early in the morning and I don't want to do any video whereby she just there crying, so I just did it so sharp, quick, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys all I have. And thank you for tuning back to my channel again. It's still your baby girl Bianca Bellezza. Guess I'm going home now to have my breakfast. I just dropped baby Sophia at school, baby somewhere at school. So, and after then I just went for the shopping. So we are going home right away, and I will be showing you guys what we have. Okay, thank you for tuning in again. It's still your baby girl Bianca Bellezza. Girls, on Saturday Serena birthday, and today is 28, tomorrow will be 29, and 30 is above that. So today is 28th of January, a year 2021. Thanks for coming, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate every one of you. And yeah, maybe I need tripod to be vlogging around this area. That would be nice. I'm at the supermarket of Esselunga. Can you see that? Esselunga Lombardone. Okay, so that is where I am. Okay, at Province of Lecco. Thank you for tuning in again. Keep watching. Okay, don't go anywhere. Okay, let's go. Hey, welcome back to my channel again. Is your baby girl Bianca Bellezza, girl, still on the same vlog but at the same time, and I'm just coming back from the supermarket, as I said earlier before on that short vlog, because I couldn't vlog because there is I don't have anybody to help me and put it on tripod and all that. With the Italian people, they'll just be looking at you as if they haven't seen somebody that is holding phone, So I just get home now, and Serena was still sleeping inside the car. I don't want her to wake up and be nervous, so I was just like, okay, let me take my wrapper and back her. I just remove her jacket, then put her in my back so that she can sleep, relax, and at the same time I'll be preparing and arranging everything that I have for the shopping. So keep watching, guys, as I will be doing it together. Maybe I may be saying it, or I will just let it just go. Anyhow it comes, enjoy it with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for coming in again. Please, guys, do like the video, please. Okay, thank you for tuning in. It's still your girl Bianca Bellezza guest TV. So keep watching, and yeah. So one thing, sometimes the hotter your fry pan, your pot is, the sweeter the food will be. So guys, this very fry pan, I have this fry pan for I don't know how many years now, maybe 4 or 5 years. And the thing I supposed to, I don't know how to remove it. It's not that it's old. You can see inside is still beautiful, just that the back is a little bit brownish, and I don't like it. So today I decided to buy this new one, and this new one is just natural induction. Okay, yeah, natural induction is made in Italy. Just that this one when I bought this video, I think this one was even more expensive than this, if I'm not making a mistake. Yeah, so just that the back, if I have the time, the strength to be able to watch it very well, maybe I will still be using it. I have extra about 2 or 3 fry pan. Our one, it was gift from my mother-in-law. One is also gift from my husband. So, and this very one, this is a new one. Yeah, is a conto pagato. I have the receipt here. It just this one is bigger than this. You can see the difference. Difference is clear. So I love this, the way the color is and everything. Okay, I think I paid about 29 euro or so. So these are cheese for the kids, for them to to wet their mouths during the snacks time. Yeah. And this other one too. This is yellow melon. Yellow melon. I love yellow melon so much with cooked ham and cooked ham, any kind of ham. You know what that means? Like prosciutto crudo, prosciutto cotto, bresaola, speck crudo, tutto quello. So this is what I and Obi will be eating for the lunch. Okay. So this is what we'll be eating for the lunch. And here is Serena milk. Serena is 1 year now, and I want to stop her from breastfeeding. So this one is from 1 year to 3 years, number 3. I still have number 2 over there, but yeah, this one is a ketchup for the kids. This one is a perfume. Okay, just to, I just supposed to spray it here, but all these things are covered. So, and this one is kiwi. I love kiwi. And yeah, as I said before, I went to Ese Lunga to do the shopping. And this one is also perfume. That I also what they call them so I will be putting this one on my bedroom. This one will be on my bedroom. This one will be on my bedroom. Like entering the bedroom, you hear this scent. That is nice. And I have a lot. So I also have cream for stretch mark, and yeah, some oil for stretch mark. I've already did the video. Maybe a clip of it. I'll still add it to the video. So this one is oil de mandorla, which is very, very important for every woman out there. No matter the cream you are using, you still need extra oil. It's a natural oil for pregnant women, and after pregnancy, postpartum. Even if you are not pregnant, I love using it. I want to try this color on my Beyond. They're very 613 hair. So I want to add this pink to it, so that, let me see how it will go. I won't show up because my husband don't like anything colored. This is the kind of hair my husband loves, like this kind of color. Even this one is too long, it's too much for him. But Bianca, I love it. So I love it. Okay, so this one is also cheese for the kids. This one was just one of the poofy. Here is the fresh cheese to eat piadina, which is shawarma, and this one is a balsamo. This balsamo is very, very nice. Okay, this is very, I did a review for it many times. And also this one is also cream to curl your hair. In case you have coiled hair like the one I'm wearing, like one of my son. This one is the best so far. So yeah, in Italy it's difficult to get product on your hair. And this one is some tangerine, what they call it. And this pen, I love this one. I saw it. There is a set of everything you can get, but I have a lot of plates in this house. I have different kind. They will break it, I'll bring another set. They will break it, I'll bring another set. So I love this spoon. It's a special one for myself. Sorry for that noise. I didn't mean to hurt you. Sorry. And this one is bacon. Okay, this is bacon for spaghetti. And this yogurt for Sophia, Serena. This will be for Serena. This will be for Serena. Because they are not big girls. They should leave this one for Serena to enjoy. Because the way they are enjoying everything that I do buy for Serena, he's not nice. It's not nice. And this one is extra yogurt. Yeah, extra one. Extra yogurt also for me, for them, for anyone that want to go for. And this classic dadders, classic mangi. Okay, is a powder mangi to fry, to eat anything, to cook anything. And this one again, another milk. I have 4 plus 2. That is 5 milk for Serena. And this one, guys, I can't stay without drinking wine. I'll be used to red wine now, and I have a bad habit. Sorry for that noise. So these are the cook arm. Okay, guys, I want to bring out the rest so that we have chicken a lot. Okay, a lot of fish. This one is coco. This one is crudo salame. This one is salami. How do they call it in English? This one is cooked ham, and also this one is what I said before. In Italy is prosciutto crudo e stagionato e questo crudo speck. Okay, the Atta Adige. These are special ones. They are delicious but expensive. I love it. I'm Italian, 100% Italian, and this is a meat, grounded meat for me to prepare meat pie, ragu bolognese, and this very one is also to prepare white bean, and this is turkey. Turkey is so expensive in this place. When you go to Intermark is not expensive, but we don't have Intermark here. Intermark is not, their turkey is not expensive, and this is maize to prepare beans. I want to prepare beans and maize. This one is Italian beans to prepare the thing that I want to cook. That will be this evening, okay? So, and here, this is minestrone. This is vegetables. You can use it to cook, just to prepare it like the way of stew, and then use it to eat anything eatable, spaghetti. You use it to eat rice. You use it to eat pasta. You use it to eat anything you want to eat with anything concerning vegetables and broth. Okay, see, let's take all that knowledge. These are the things. Another one of it, so that we have two. I will give the kids one, and I also have one, but we have a lot of these things. But once it's on sales, like buying it is very, very good. This one I don't have it again, so that is what. But the menu of this very other one, I have it. I bought it just because it was on sales. It was on sales, like, because it's a big size. That is just the truth. Okay, so it will stay more longer. And the other things that I have is this deodorant. This deodorant, in case you are putting on white, black and white. Okay, so I just dropped these kids from the school. I was just like, let me go for mini shopping, and this mini shopping, guys, I end up spending 130 euro. Mini shopping. Cool. Sometimes I'm like, let me go for 15 euro. I end up buying. Am I the only one in this? Oh my God. Sometimes I'm like, oh my God. Once they whole like, Signora, I'm like, davvero? Inside of me, I would just, okay, va bene. But inside of me, I'm like, davvero? Did I just buy things of 100 or something, or 70 or 80 euro when I said I want to spend 15 euro? So it's always like that. I don't know, guys. I will keep this one outside because of the things that I want to prepare today. I will prepare it this afternoon. Okay, I will prepare it, and this turkey will be on Sunday. Yeah, I will prepare the turkey on Sunday. So guys, I will put in everything inside the fridge right now. I don't want the video more longer than this. Okay, this one is sugar. Okay, no. When you ask Obi to help you prepare the kids for the school, it's always like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm about to do before is just for me to try to prepare food for my baby girl. She tried. She did a big girl job today. We went out. I did breastfeed. Even till now, we haven't eaten anything this morning, and this is almost 12 noon. It's already 12 noon, and we haven't eaten anything. Okay, so maybe I will bring the camera more closer so that you guys can see. And I will prepare also use this one. Okay guys, so I think I should end the video. Oh, let me show you guys my kitchen a little bit. Let me show the kitchen to you guys. Okay, this is it. This is it. I will turn the camera, maybe that will be more better. Yeah. The kitchen is big. My kitchen is just is bigger than one room, some bedroom. Like my kitchen is bigger than some people's bedroom. I wish this kitchen is big. I could have, oh my god, I will love it. But fun is okay. It's okay. Quality matters a lot. And there is some of my things on top of the bed. I have bed on my sit-through though. Yeah, I love it. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. In case I didn't had any part to it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I Bianca Bellezza, guys. We love you and we appreciate all the way from Lake Como. Bye bye.